What if Fujifilm is preparing to bring back one of its most iconic camera lines in a way that doesn't just update the hardware, but redefines the entire experience of shooting in APS-C? The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is quickly becoming one of the most talked about rumored cameras of 2026, not because it is chasing industry trends, but because it appears to be moving in the opposite direction. While much of the camera world is focused on AI-driven autofocus, stacked sensors, and full-frame dominance, Fujifilm seems to be doubling down on something more emotional: how a camera feels, how it responds, and how it shapes the act of photography itself. Although there has been no official announcement, consistent rumors suggest that the Fujifilm X-Pro4 could arrive in 2026 as a carefully developed successor rather than a rushed update. Fujifilm is known for taking its time with the X-Pro series, and that approach seems to continue here. Instead of incremental changes, the expectation is a more meaningful evolution, one that respects the heritage of the line while introducing modern performance improvements. The X-Pro series has always existed in a unique space between traditional rangefinder-style shooting and modern digital convenience, and the X-Pro4 is expected to strengthen that identity even further. At the center of the discussion is a major sensor upgrade. The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is rumored to feature a 40-megapixel APS-C X-Trans sensor paired with a new generation processor. If true, this would represent a substantial jump from the 26-megapixel sensor found in the previous model. Such an increase would place the X-Pro4 among the highest resolution APS-C cameras available, offering photographers significantly more detail and flexibility. This would be especially valuable for genres like street photography, travel, editorial work, and commercial assignments where cropping freedom and high-resolution output are important. However, Fujifilm cameras are never defined by resolution alone. The real strength of the X-Pro series has always been its image rendering and color science. The rumored sensor in the Fujifilm X-Pro4 is expected to continue the X-Trans philosophy, focusing on organic detail reproduction and film-like tonal transitions. Improvements in dynamic range are also expected, allowing for better retention of highlight and shadow detail in difficult lighting conditions. Alongside this, low-light performance is rumored to improve, delivering cleaner high ISO images without losing the natural aesthetic that Fujifilm users value. One of the most defining characteristics of the X-Pro lineup has always been its hybrid viewfinder system, and the Fujifilm X-Pro4 is expected to refine this further. The hybrid viewfinder, which allows users to switch between optical and electronic viewing, is a key part of what makes the series unique. In the next generation, the optical viewfinder is expected to feature improved framing accuracy and better parallax correction, making it more precise across different shooting distances. Meanwhile, the electronic viewfinder is rumored to receive a significant upgrade in resolution and refresh rate, creating a smoother and more responsive experience when switching between modes. Design philosophy is another area where Fujifilm is expected to stay true to its roots. The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is likely to retain its rangefinder-inspired body, with a strong emphasis on physical controls, tactile dials, and a compact yet durable construction. Rather than following the trend of minimalist touchscreen-heavy designs, the X-Pro4 is expected to prioritize manual interaction. This design approach encourages photographers to slow down, engage more deeply with their settings, and make intentional creative decisions rather than relying on automation. Autofocus is another area where meaningful improvements are expected. While Fujifilm may not be chasing the extreme speed of stacked full-frame systems, the X-Pro4 is rumored to feature a more refined hybrid autofocus system that blends phase detection and contrast detection more effectively. The focus is expected to be on reliability and consistency rather than aggressive tracking algorithms. Improved subject detection, better low-light performance, and more stable focus behavior could make the camera significantly more dependable in real-world shooting environments such as street photography, documentary work, and events. Video capabilities, while not the main focus, are also expected to improve. The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is rumored to support 4K DCI and UHD recording at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit color depth. This would position it as a capable hybrid tool rather than a dedicated cinema camera. Combined with improved autofocus and a higher quality electronic viewfinder, video shooting is expected to feel more practical and responsive than in previous generations. Fujifilm's signature color science would likely remain one of its strongest advantages, producing pleasing footage straight out of the camera with minimal grading required. One of the most exciting rumored additions is in-body image stabilization. The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is expected to potentially include IBIS with up to 7 stops of stabilization. If this becomes reality, it would significantly enhance handheld shooting capability, especially in low-light conditions or when using slower shutter speeds. When paired with a high-resolution 40-megapixel sensor, stabilization becomes even more important for maintaining sharpness and detail. For travel and street photographers, this feature alone could make a major difference in everyday usability. Connectivity and workflow improvements are also expected to be part of the package. Modern photography relies heavily on fast data transfer and efficient workflows, and the X-Pro4 is rumored to address this with improved USB-C performance, faster wireless communication, and better Bluetooth integration. These upgrades may not be as exciting as sensor or autofocus improvements, but they play a crucial role in professional workflows where speed and reliability matter. In the end, what makes the Fujifilm X-Pro4 so compelling is not just what it might achieve on paper, but what it represents in practice. In a rapidly evolving industry dominated by automation and computational imaging, this camera seems to remind photographers of something essential, that the experience of taking the photo matters just as much as the final image. If the rumors are true, the X-Pro4 could stand out in 2026 not by being the most technical camera available, but by being one of the most meaningful to use.